Okay guys, I got message from many of you asking me how can I make money online quickly and easily? How can I make money online fast without any special skills, without investing any money, without any expensive softwares? So today I'm going to show you exactly that. And yes, this is available worldwide and you can do this even if you are absolute beginner, even if you've never done anything like this in your life. You can make money with this method. And also, please watch this video till the end because there is one really important message on the end of this video. So with that being said, let's start. Now, actually, we are going to do a micro freelancing. We are actually going to do a micro tasks. And for that, we are going to use a website called Sproutgigs. Now, Sproutgigs used to called Pico Workers, but they changed the name. So what you need to do, you actually need to scroll back on the top here, and you need to click here on sign up. And you need to populate all of these fields here. You need to confirm your email and you need to register for a free account. After you do that, you will come to your dashboard and this is how your dashboard looks. Here you can see micro jobs, paid surveys and offers. Now I strongly recommend when you just start on this website, do a micro jobs only. And here you can see all the available micro jobs. And actually, here you can see job levels. Now, because I just created this account, I'm on a starter level. So advanced and expert levels jobs are actually locked for me. So when I click here on apply, I can only see starter level jobs. And here you can see you can earn 45 cents. These are all really simple, really easy tasks. Install plus sign up, new users only, and you will earn 45 cents. Here you can see $5. Now, this is really important. To be clear, this is not $5,000. This is $5, okay? Just to be clear, this is $5. Here you can see $1.10, $1.25, and so on and so on. And like I said, these are all simple tasks. Gmail account, create an account on Gmail, okay? And give the details to this person here. You will earn 8 cents for doing that. And here you can see, and actually, when you go here, I'm on starter level, but when you go on advanced level, you will start seeing jobs from $5 to $20. And when you go on expert level, you can actually start seeing jobs from $5 all the way to $40, $50. And when you get on expert level, you can actually earn $500, $1,000, even $1,500 per month with this website here, by doing simple tasks, okay? And here you can choose categories. As you can see here, there is lots of categories: sign up, video marketing, Twitter micro-influencing, Reddit, Yahoo Answers, and Quora Answers, and so on and so on. All really simple. Here you can see subcategory, payment from 2 cents to $5. You can change this if you want. Here you can see location. Now I will leave all the location because I wish to get all the available offers for me. Employer status, well, you don't really need this, so you can simply ignore this part here. So let me just give you example how this looks. So let's just go on category, because I already choose to show me starter jobs. So go here on category, and let's just say, for example, video marketing. That is actually a simple task. And here I can see all the available simple tasks. So let me, for example, take one of these jobs. So let's just say this one here. I will open it in new tab. And here I can see 4,489 people actually watched this video out of 534. So almost, this job is almost done. So I need to be fast. So what I need to do, and also this is really important, excluded countries. So people from these countries here, they cannot do this job. That is really important. Check this thing, okay? And here I can see instructions. What I actually need to do. Go to YouTube and search for one of these keywords. And I actually need to open this in new tab to see what keywords I actually need to search for on YouTube. And let's say ProDentim review. So let me just go here. I will simply copy this keyword. Okay, Control C and go on YouTube. And I'm going to paste it here, click here on search, and here I can see results for this search term. Now, people do this because they wish to avoid penalty from YouTube algorithm, and in this way they will get more views and rank better on YouTube. Next I need to do, click the video with this image. Again, I need to open this in new tab to see what video I actually need to watch. So let me just, okay, I need to watch video with this thumbnail here. So, okay, this is the video. As you can see, this video have exactly the same thumbnail. As you can see here, this is the video. So let me just go back here. Okay, the video that you are looking for has over 20,000 views. Okay, this video has 68,000 views, so that is the video. And here I need to see, watch the video for 3 minutes, very important. So I need to watch this video at least 3 minutes. And here, note if you still can't find the video, change your search filter. Okay, that is not important. Do not comment on this video, okay? And this is also really important. Required proof the task was finished. How many times within 3 minutes in the video I said the word pro-dentim? So you need to watch this video for at least 3 minutes, and you need to count how many times this person here, this guy here, mentioned this keyword here, pro-dentim, okay? That is proof number 1. Take a screenshot from the YouTube history with the video watched for 3 minutes. You need to watch this video, go on this video and take a screenshot. And also what the name of my YouTube channel is. Here you can see the name of this channel, William Wiles, okay? So what you need to do, you simply need to scroll here, submit your proof below. Here you need to choose the submit time, how many times he actually mentioned pro-dentim. Here you need to add a screenshot. Just click here on browse and add a screenshot. And here you need to say the name of the channel where you watch this video, and then click here submit, and you will make actually 5 cents for doing that. Really simple. It takes just 3 minutes in this case, and after you finish that, just go back here. As you can see, you can earn 4 cents, you can earn 9 cents, you can even earn 10 cents for this video. YouTube search plus watch for 1 minute. Then you will earn 10 cents for that. And again, when you go back here, when you click on video marketing, you can also do TikTok and then click here apply, and you can do post video using my sound, okay? Also, you can do Reddit, for example. Click here on apply, Reddit upvote, and other stuff you can do. So just go back here to see Reddit and Yahoo Answers and Quora Answers. Here, there are no currently jobs. But like I said, there is lots and lots of jobs, available jobs here that you can do, and you can make, if you're just starting, if you're on starter level, you can easily earn $5 to $10 per day if you're doing these simple tasks. Later, when you go on advanced level, you can actually make $20, $30 per day. And when you go on expert level, you can even earn $50 per day on this website, totally free. You don't have to invest any money. And like we saw, these are all really simple tasks that you can do and make money. So like I said, just go here and do simple tasks. And you can make, for example, for signups, you can earn 25 cents, 30 cents, 33 cents, 36 cents, and so on and so on. And like I said, you can easily make $5 per day with this website. So this is how to make money online as a beginner quickly without any special skills. And like I said in the intro, there is one really important message in the end of this video, and this is the message. As you see, you cannot make thousands and thousands of dollars with this website. You cannot get rich with this website, but you can earn some decent money that will help you to start making more money by investing money in some other more lucrative methods. And especially if you don't have any special skills, you can earn $100, $200, $500, later even $1,500 per month with this website. But like I said, you will not get rich on this website. So this is how to make money online as a beginner. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.